In the previous module, we looked at how to add shapes to the documents, and so I've added a different one here, just a star, and I've added some text, turned it into a text box. And as I said, just added some text. Now we're going to look at how to manipulate that text box and or the shape in a little more detail here. Once again, if I just make a click somewhere on the shape, the text box tool should load up in your ribbon, and under the text box tool there is a formatting tab, and the format tab shows you all the things you can do with this particular shape. So one of the things you can do is you can grab, just like style galleries for text, there are style galleries for shapes and text boxes, and so you can change your text box styles this way to apply lots of different effects: a drop shadow, a 3D effect, a color fill, changing the font color sometimes, and then of course there's more than meets the eye, so you can do that, you can do that, and so very quickly and very easily you can apply a wide range of changes to a particular shape. You can also be as granular as you want to about this. You can create a shape outline if you want to. You could give that shape outline a weight of 3 points, for example, to really make it jump out. You could add your own shadow effects from the shadow effect gallery, a drop shadow, for example. You could also, in your 3D effects, add a 3D effect, so parallel, perspective. Okay, I think we're regressing here as far as making it look good, by the way. Your shadow effects can be rotated so the shadow can appear on the other side, can appear at the top, to the bottom more, to the left. You see these are kind of subtle changes here. What else? We can also drag and drop, actually not really drag and drop, well, drag and drop. You can just drag a shape over text or anywhere in the document, as you can see, and then you can decide what to do about how the shape behaves in relation to the text when it comes to your positioning. Inlined with text wrapping, that, boom, boom. Your text wrapping options you can be granular about: in front of text, behind the text, in line with the text, which doesn't look really good in this instance here. But like I said, you have lots of options about what to do. You even have options about the rotation of the item. So you can rotate it 90, rotate it left 90 degrees, flip it vertical, flip it horizontal, which doesn't really do anything in this instance here. But again, lots of choices about how you want to manipulate that particular item. So let's bring it to the front, so it's a little bit easier to grab and draw. One more time, the last thing I can show you here is your theme colors, and as far as the filling of a shape fill, so you can fill it with black, gray, blue, and so on. Again, further regressing to make it really gaudy, but you get the idea.